Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. If you are a regular watcher, I'm sure you can tell by this video title that this video is going to be a little bit different. If you are a regular watcher, you know that I usually post shopping videos and cooking videos most of the time. Well, today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I needed some new pots and pans, and I thought I would go ahead and unbox them and share them with you all in case you are looking for some new pots and pans, or maybe you know someone that could use some new pots and pans. And I also want to mention that this video is not sponsored in any way. I bought these pans myself and I just wanted to do something different. I did mention earlier this year or late last year that my goal this year was to post more content, and so far I really haven't done that, but I want to put out some more videos than I usually do, including some shorts. So I thought I would just go ahead and share this video with you of me unboxing my new pots and pans. So here is the box that my new pots and pans are in. This is the Carote brand, and I do already have a pots and pan set from Carote. I bought them like a year and a half ago, and I needed a couple of them are starting to get some wear and tear, and then I also needed some more pots and pans for when we have family over and we're cooking a bunch of food. I needed some more dishes. So I went ahead and bought these, and these are a little bit different than the ones that I have currently. I'm just going to go ahead and set them off to the side here. We're going to take everything out, and then here is an instruction manual. It gives you the use and care for these. And then we have a lid here, it looks like. Like if you want to go ahead and put it in your refrigerator. And then here is like a pot holder. There's another one in here. And then we have a couple of knobs for the lids on the pan. And everything in it. And then we have two handles here, and this is what I like about these. My current ones, the handles are on there, you cannot take them off. These make it easier to stack in your cabinets. It detaches, and then here is one pot. And here is another one. I will go ahead and open them up after we go ahead and get everything out of the box here. And then we got our two frying pans here. We got the small one. Here is another one. It's got a handle on the side. And then it also comes with some utensils here. I'll go ahead and open them all. You got a spoon here. because with these you have to be careful. You don't want to use metal utensils because it will scratch the bottom. And then we got one, or is there two more in here? Here's another spatula. And here is a spatula. And then we have our large frying pan here. So we're going to move the box and I'll open everything and show it off a little bit more so you can see. I got everything. I also forgot to mention earlier is that these pans are both non-stick and non-toxic, and that is what I love about them. That's why I mentioned earlier I already have a set, but they are a little bit different. They changed them up, and I think these are going to be even better because they are titanium. So again, this is the utensils it comes with, because you really got to be careful with these pans not to scratch the bottom. I'll just show you quickly one more time. And then we'll get to the pans. There was like 4 different colors, I think, but I went with this one because I just love this color. See, here is the bottom. It's like a titanium. And then here is the color. It's like a grayish blue. And it does have a little bit of a sparkle to it. And then all you do is you take one of these handles. And they left the handles off because it's easier to stack these in your cabinet without the handles on them. This is the first time I've had pots and pans that has the handle like this that detaches, so hopefully it will continue to work well. And here is the handle. You take your handle, you put it on the side here, and then you pinch it in there together and you have your handle on. And then when you want to take the handle off, you just push this button or slide it forward and it comes right off. So this is our large frying pan. And here is the smaller frying pan. And they were packaged with this felt. So I think I'm going to probably keep these because these are great. And I'm going to keep these in between the pans so they don't get, the bottoms don't get scratched up. And here is another pot. And here's the bottom. I didn't show that before. And here is a saucepan. And then again, you do the same thing. You take your handle, clip it on, and you go just like that. And then here is the last saucepan. And then now we're going to unbox the lids or unpackage the lids. And these lids are glass, but they are pretty durable because I have not broke one yet out of my other ones. And now I'm going to take the handles. They're a gold. And we're going to put them on the pans here. Alright, so there's one. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video of me unboxing my new Carote cookware set. Like I mentioned earlier, this video is not sponsored, and I do currently already have a Carote set, even though it is different. This one's a titanium bottom, my other one is not, and I do love my other one, so I'm sure that I will love this one the same or even more. I do like the new titanium bottom in this one. So even though I have not tried this new cookware set, I'm sure that I'm going to love it the same, since I already have a Carote set right now, even though it is a little bit different. So if you are looking for a new cooking set, or if you know someone who may be getting married or moving to their new place, I would recommend that you give this one a try. It is affordable, and it is also non-toxic cookware, which I love. I want to thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. And also, if you're not subscribed, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on that bell if you haven't done so, so you know exactly when a new video is posted. I usually try to post every Tuesday and Thursday afternoon, but sometimes life gets busy and I am off a day or two. So be sure to click on that bell so you know exactly when a new video is posted. We have a lot coming up. Spring is here finally. Summer is coming. We have a lot coming up, so I probably will be posting more videos, so then my posting schedule will change. It's not always the same, so that's why you have to be sure that you have that bell clicked.